Hello, this is Devashish from Vigo Solution. Today I am going to show you some advanced conditional formatting, how to format. So let's start. Here is like one teacher is going assignment to student, like couple of assignments A B C D, and he also give a one day. This is the day is given, and the completion time frame is 5 days, and it should be completed in 17th of November, like that. So if the assignment is not completed, it will remain red. If the current date is over, like the bottom one, 9 December is not yet over because today is 4 December. So if it is completed, let's say it's yes, then it will go to get into green. So let's see how can we do this. So for that we have to make the expire date first. For that we have to go conditional formatting. It's on the home tab, and go to the less than and click the date which you want to assign. Okay, click OK, and you can pull down. So all now go into red. Same time the rule is gone. Okay, now I want that if it is here yes, it will turn into green. So for that, click on the cell and go to conditional formatting and press on new rule. Use formula to determine which cell to format. Here we use like if statement, like if this cell is yes, it will go to green. So for Excel rule, we have to put the equal sign, and where it is here. If it yes, before that we have to unlock the cell because the dollar sign will lock your cell. So to unlock, press F4 couple of times, it will be unlocked, and press equal sign again and double quote for the alphabet, and if the J4 is yes, the cell will turn green. So, okay, so now that's all. Now if I pull it again, so you can see all go green, but here is red color. So for remove the red color, we have to go conditional formatting and manage rule. You have to check the stop if the if true, and then apply. So if you apply that, then you can see the all is turn into green. So let's see if it is work or not. If say no, it's not going to turn into red. So that's it. You can use the conditional formatting. I will come up with another advanced Excel video in every week, so please subscribe my channel and hit like